How's it going, Knights? How's everybody doing? Before we do this whole tricep thing, and give us a second to wait for some other people who are lagging behind, I want to give a little shout out to Gordon Nixton, if you're out there listening. One of my Facebook Knights. I found out today that he's dying of terminal cancer, so yeah, and he's been pretty supportive on Facebook during my little fucking adventure, you know, with the whole bipolar shit and whatever. And so anyways, he reached out to me today, and he said on my way out west he would like that if I met him, you know. He thought he would like to meet me, and I found that extremely fucking flattering, you know. Guy's fucking dying and he wants to meet you, so I'm definitely gonna fucking try to make that happen. So Gordon, I hope to see you, brother. Okay, let's get on with the fucking workout there, eh? Tricep extensions. All right, got my cans, and hey Jessica, hey Michelle, how are you guys? Got my cans, and we'll take this through it. All right. Okay. Oh, fuck! Oh, Jesus Christ! What the fuck? Oh, man! Oh, fuck! Jesus, fuck! What the fuck happened there? Oh, jeez! Oh. That's what fucking happened. Goddamn fucking chair broke. Holy fuck, check it out. Fucking snapped the half right off. Okay. Well, that's how you get a fucking video started, eh? Oh, fuck. Okay, let me find my cans here, and we'll see what we can find. Okay, there's one can. Holy shit, there's the other can. Okay, fuck, man. Let's fucking try that again, shall we? What the fuck, did I cut myself? Oh shit, look at that. Fuck. I guess I'm gonna have to fix this. Look at the... Okay, well, give me a second here. I'm gonna patch this fucking thing up, and then we'll turn out to be an exciting video, eh? Ronnie, that was just me falling, buddy. I'm okay. Fuck. Just give me a... Holy shit, yeah. Can you guys see that? Fuck. Can must have hit me in the face or something. Alright, well, we'll patch this fucking thing up and we'll get back to that fucking workout. Oh, you guys still there? Oh, fuck. Unbelievable. Never a dull moment in my life, eh? Okay. Let's just patch this up here. Oh shit, look at that. Fuck, right there. Caught my eyebrow. Great, now fucking... What do you call it there? Facebook's gonna pull this fucking video now. I think I got a band-aid here. Somewhere. There we go. Fuck. Oh. Fucking head. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Holy fuck, that's really fucking... I'll check that later. Okay. Patched up. Let's get the fuck back out of there. Alright. Homo, is that still going live? I don't know. If it isn't, fuck it. I don't give a shit. I guess that's as good as that. Fucking... Hey, Kirk, you're friggin', I'm doing a live video, and I was doing a thing on the chair. The chair snapped. The side of it snapped to fucking cut my fucking Yeah, check it out. There's my roommates, Ronnie and Kirk, if you can see them, guys. There's Ronnie, there's Kirk, yeah. Check it out, fuck.
Damn.
The side of the chair just snapped right off as I said.
Shit.
Say hi. Yeah, doing a live feed there for the tricep extensions there. I figured fucking why not. So, yeah, son of a bitch. Fucking cans go flying up there, feet and everything.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Shit.
Yeah.
You don't want to try that one. You don't want to try that one every day.
What? Yeah. Fucking band-aids falling off. Alright, back to the fucking video. I got people fucking waiting. Well, two people, Jessica and Michelle. Thanks for joining in, guys. Alright, can I still use that chair? I think so. Should I fucking chance it? Alright, I think we're fucking good to go. Alright. A little bit of drink here. If there was ever a time for a real fucking cigarette, eh? Look at that, eh? Snapped right off my fat ass. Okay, fucking tricep extensions and skull crushers. Last time I was doing a close push-ups, close grip, but fucking felt like my wrists were gonna break in half. So, what? Sorry, I'm just fucking trying to stay with the moment here. So, yeah. So I was doing push-ups close, with my hands close, but it was killing my wrists. So we're gonna fine-tune that a little bit with the cans. So, first fucking exercise, skull crushers. Oh, fuck. Son of a bitch. Okay, looks like there's going to be a short video. I don't think this chair is going to fucking hold much longer. So just put your hands up like this. Just let your elbows fall to the back. And then up. Just like that. I'll probably do 50 of these, but I don't have anything heavier. So, there we go. I still feel the burn around fucking 20 reps or so. Oh, son of a bitch. Okay. Whew. Those are what I like to call stuck. Oh, fucking band-aid. Fucking bleeding's probably gonna stop anyways. Whatever. So those were skull crushers. Do I have anything to talk about while I'm resting? You guys got any questions? Guess not, eh? All right. I'll just take a second and catch my breath after that, and then we'll do the tricep kickbacks and call it a day. It's weird doing a fucking live feed, I tell you. Can't pause and just think of something to say, but okay, let's just get through this fucking another exercise and call it a day. Then maybe go to the clinic and get this fucking forehead stitched up. Alright, kickbacks. You're gonna take your cans and just raise your elbows like this and just kick them back. 2, 3, 4, 5. And really squeeze them at the top like that. Squeeze them. Oh, get that mind-muscle connection happening. if you squeeze it at the top, it only makes it a lot fucking harder. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm fucking done. It'll probably be my first and last live feed. Take care, guys. Jessica, Michelle, thanks for joining me. Mwah. Take care, nights.